Hi everyone, it's Heather. Thank you for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with all of our recent videos. We are going to get on the double splash flume ride at Dutch Wonderland in Lancaster, Pennsylvania. This is a full length, so you will see the ride beginning to end. And you won't have to hear me talk during the whole thing. Okay, on the video recording, I kept the sound on, so you'll have to hear me talk. Enjoy the ride! Okay, before you enjoy the ride, a couple things I want to mention. There are height restrictions, so my daughter wants to go on it. Unfortunately, she is too short, so there are the restrictions right there, so check before you get in the line. On busy days, this does get really busy, so you'll see that this is a really long queue, and yes, it does fill up on those really busy days. So just be prepared. Is it worth it? Sure, if you're big on these rides. I don't go on this ride every time, and we come to Dutch Wonderland a lot, but today I wanted to ride it to show you guys the whole ride from start to finish. None of the kids that could ride wanted to join us, so it was me, my brother, and my dad. We were the brave ones today.
She might be. I don't think so either. Going down. gosh, that was wet.
Thank you so much for watching and for all your support. Bye.